Hey guys, it's Mervin Topper. Welcome back to another video. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's Yellow Gamer Plays. Welcome back to another video. Another day, another night. Guys, I'm playing with my classmate. This video is so rushed. We still have to go to school tomorrow. Oh my god, where is she? Guys, I wanna attack her so bad. Like, girl, I'm so sorry. Bro, I swear. Saw her a few seconds ago. I used to be good at this, but now I'm not. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry. Someone was messaging me. Where's my classmate? What the heck? Girl! I'm gonna get you. What the fudge? Girl, come here. The fudge. Now I'm gonna... I swear I was so close, bro. Come on, man. My pride. My pride. Girl, I see you. Girl, I see you. Get me. Get me. Me, man. Wait, hold on. Guys, if I make her lose, that means I'm cool. Come on, bro. This is so insane. Bro, I'm Mervin Topper. I can do this. Yes! Yes! Yes, guys! I beated my classmate. Let's go! Let's go, bro! Yes! Let's go, bro! Let's go, bro! Guys, she has to leave because she has to eat. Bye, girl. Okay, everyone. This video is so rushed. We still have to go to school tomorrow and we have homework. So, bye, guys. Peace.